Isn't it true that every student wants to achieve a good score in any sort of exam he give? But achieving a perfect score in any competitive exam, which involves the participants from all over the globe, is a really hard ride. Hi, my name is Shikhar Sharma, and I am a perfect scorer in the physics subject GRE exam that was held in October 2019. In this short video, I'm going to share with you the strategies that I followed and the planning that I made, which helped me to achieve a perfect score in the physics subject GRE. Although if you are here, it's true that you are interested in the physics subject GRE exam and know how important it is for those who wants to go US for their PhDs and masters. Although most of the questions that are asked in the exam are easy to solve, but the topics from which these questions are asked is huge. The syllabus of the physics subject GRE exam covers the topics as simple as Newton's laws and as subtle as the type 2 superconductivity in condensed matter systems. So the main strategy to excel the exam is to broaden your knowledge in physics. You should know the basics of each and every topic of the physics. I would suggest you to list down all the formulas chapter wise in a separate notebook. You should know what the formula is saying and what are the different variants of the formula. And you should master these formulas in such a manner that by looking at the questions, the formula should be clicked to you. Also ETS, the agency which conducts the exam, it provides you some sample papers. You should attempt them in a time by setting an alarm of duration 2 hours and 50 minutes. 2 hours and 50 minutes is a typical time of the physics subject GRE exam. Time management. It is also one of the key features. The duration of the exam is 2 hours and 50 minutes, and in that short period of time you have to attempt 100 questions. Of course, there will be questions which will be clicked to you in no time, but there can be questions which don't click to you by looking at them at the first sight. So I would suggest you should not waste your time on such questions. If the idea to solve the questions is not coming to you in 3 or 4 seconds, just leave the question and you should go for the next questions. But after solving some 3 or 4 questions, please come back to that same question again. Because what happens, if you are not able to solve that question in your first attempt, it means there has to be some hidden idea there. Because ETS cannot ask you a question which requires a 1 page long calculation due to that short time bound. But ETS can ask a question which requires a minute and very important concept which you are missing at your first sight. So if you will come that question again, there will be very high chances that that concept that was not coming to you in your first attempt will come to you. So you should not be afraid of skipping the questions in your first attempt and coming back to that question again in further attempts. I'm going to share, I remember there was a problem from nuclear physics and I could not able to solve that problem in my first attempt, but I came back to that problem in my third attempt in last few minutes, and yeah, I was able to solve that problem. So you should not, again I will emphasize that you should not be afraid of skipping that questions and coming back same question again. Actually the exam is easy and it's not very difficult to achieve a perfect good score in the exam. But when it comes to score 990 in physics subject GRE exam, it clearly indicates that you are good in doing things in a limited time bound. Also, a perfect score in physics subject GRE indicates that you have mastered your basics and now fully prepared to carry out the advanced studies in physics. So I am sure by doing the proper study and by following the strategies that I have mentioned, you will surely score a very good score in the physics subject GRE exam and will ultimately lead you to your dream universities. So thank you and keep learning physics.